Good day, my name is Kathleen Joy Abad, and I am proud graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. I also hold national certificate in both cookery and housekeeping department. During my studies, I was honored to be recognized as the best on-the-job trainee during my internship at Pinnacle Resort and Villas in Boracay, Philippines. I am passionate about sharing knowledge and helping students grow in a dynamic and supportive learning environment. My background in hospitality has taught me the value of patience, adaptability, and excellent communication skills, qualities that I believe are essentials for teaching. I am eager to pursue an opportunity as a foreign teacher in Thailand, where I can contribute my skills, learn from diverse cultures, and develop professionally while inspiring students to reach their full potential. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to possibility of becoming part of your esteemed institution.